Hello, I'm Mikaël Portannier, and here at Giesen Roasting Solution, I was super happy this week to attend the training we did with different roasters, sharing their thought about coffee roasting. People were sharing their knowledge, so they exchanged about their daily routine. We did a lot of cupping, we did a lot of analysis. So if you want to attend one of those courses, you can have a look at the foundation or the advanced course video.